10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition and liftoff. Will be main engine cutoff, or MECO, followed by stage separation, and then second engine start number 1, or SES1. Main engine cutoff is where all 9 of the Merlin 1D engines will shut down to slow down the vehicle in preparation for stage separation. That's where the first and second stages will separate using those pneumatic mechanisms in the interstage. Right after stage separation, the first stage will be making its way back to Earth for landing. And we will be attempting to recover the first stage today on a drone ship stationed out in the Atlantic named Just Read the Instructions.
The vehicle is following a nominal trajectory.
Now, while that's happening, stage 2 will continue on its journey with the third event. That's second engine start number 1, or SES1. It'll start its Merlin vacuum engine and take those Starlink satellites to orbit. It's coming up in just a few seconds. MECO, main engine cutoff, followed by stage sep, and then SES1.
MECO.
Stage separation confirmed.
Now we'll see pretty shortly here fairing deployment as well.
And second engine stage startup.
Fairing separation confirmed.
So there on the right-hand side of your screen, those Starlink satellites seeing space for the first time. There's a shot of the Merlin vacuum. You can actually see the fairing halves heading back to planet Earth. And on the left-hand side of your screen, you can see the first stage deploying its grid fins.
Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories.
Just a quick note on the fairing halves today. One of those is flying for its third time. The other is flying for its fourth. And we will be attempting to recover both halves today using our recovery vessel named Bob. Now, stage 2 is continuing to its target orbit. The first stage, which you can see on your left-hand side, has a couple of burns to make before it can make its way back to planet Earth. First of those is the entry burn. It'll ignite 3 of its Merlin 1D engines to slow down as it re-enters the upper part of the Earth's atmosphere. And then the second burn happens much closer to touchdown on that first stage. It'll ignite just its single center Merlin engine for the landing burn. And that's what brings the vehicle speed rapidly down to 0 so we can have a soft touchdown on the drone ship. Right-hand side of your screen, you can see the Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage with some beautiful shots
of signal
of Earth behind us. Glowing that orange color. The second stage engine will continue to burn until about T+8 minutes, so